Today my mission is to get a tire rack or tire mount to the back of my 95 Toyota 4Runner. Hopefully this won't be a trial and error. Hopefully I get this done the first time, but we'll see, and stay tuned. Alright, here is my 95 Toyota 4Runner. Thing that I hate is that I've never done this before and I don't have another person, so this is already becoming a challenge, which is irritating. So because in order for me to do this and do it right and make sure that I am 100% confident and that everything's straight and lined up where it needs to be, I need someone to be able to hold it, and I don't have that luxury of having another person. So I'm very intimidated already, so. Alright, so we finally were able to get this unhooked. 2 bolts right there, or I'm sorry, 1 bolt. Another bolt right there, and then the rest are just plastic pieces that actually form into the metal. So it was a pain in the butt to get to it, but now what we're doing is we're going to Dremel this section out so the base plate can actually sit flush against the tailgate. So, well, you want to still do it? Yeah. We left the Yota symbol.
So what you had to do is you had to take off these 4 bolts to get this motor assembly out of here. You had to take this power cord off from here, this clamp in here, this clamp here, and you had to take these 2 connectors off. Then you had to take off this white connector, the black connector, the blue connector, and then you took off the handle. You have to take off the handle by pushing this lever, and this just pops out. So you push this in, put the lever over it, same thing with the locking mechanism. And then you had to take this cable here, which actuates the locking mechanism down here. You had to take it out of this bracket here, turn it this way, and feed it in. Same thing with this locking mechanism for this side, lock it in. Fabricated and put on. Keeping his lights.
Made our markings, and now we're about to drill these out. So just note to self that these wires, so as soon as you tap into those wires and feed through that hole, these wires don't go down. They go straight along the fender, or the panel I should say.
Add a little bit of shrink to it. There you go. Stick it over here.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this video or need a little bit more detail on some of the things that we did, go ahead and hit that comment section and I'll answer them there. Also, big shout out to my dad for helping me out. In the beginning it was a little bit overwhelming just because I haven't done this project before, so I definitely learned a lot. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're always doing DIY videos and posting content, really cool content. So check it out and give those a thumbs up as well. This is Steven with Trailbenders Overland. Keep moving forward, keep getting those trails, and we will see you out there.